Ever found yourself wondering where exactly the companies you trust with your hard-earned money are, well, located? It's a fair question, especially in today's digital world where transactions happen in the blink of an eye across continents. Today, we're diving into that very question, specifically focusing on a popular platform in the crypto and traditional finance space, Uphold. So, where is Uphold located? It's not as simple as pointing to a single building on a map. Uphold operates as a global entity with a presence in multiple locations. However, its primary legal and operational headquarters are situated in the United States. Specifically, Uphold's main office is located in New York City. This bustling metropolis serves as the central hub for many financial technology companies, and Uphold is no exception. Having a base in a major financial center like New York provides them with access to talent, regulatory oversight, and the dynamic environment necessary for a company operating in the evolving world of digital assets. But that's not the whole story. While New York is their headquarters, Uphold has strategically established offices and teams in other parts of the world to support its global user base. This international presence allows them to cater to different markets, understand local regulations, and provide more efficient customer support across various time zones. Think of it like this: while the brain of the operation might be in New York, they have supporting teams and infrastructure spread out to ensure smooth functioning worldwide. These locations often house specialized teams focusing on areas like engineering, compliance, customer service, and business development. Why is knowing Uphold's location important? For several reasons. Firstly, it provides a level of transparency. Knowing where a company is based can help users feel more secure about the platform they are using. It allows for a degree of accountability and understanding of which legal and regulatory frameworks Uphold operates under. Secondly, location can sometimes influence the services offered and the regulations Uphold must adhere to. Different jurisdictions have varying rules regarding financial services and digital assets, which can impact the features and accessibility of the Uphold platform for users in different regions. Finally, understanding their global presence highlights Uphold's ambition and reach. It signifies their commitment to serving a diverse international audience and navigating the complexities of the global financial landscape. So, to recap, while Uphold has a global footprint with teams spread across various locations, its primary legal and operational headquarters are located in New York City, USA. This strategic positioning allows them to operate effectively within the financial ecosystem while also serving a worldwide user base. It's a testament to the interconnected nature of modern finance and the global reach of digital platforms. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.